The Education Ministry is this evening insisting that parents of secondary school students are not mandated to buy any books outside of what is provided by the ministry through the loan scheme. Issues relating to textbooks for students were raised today at Parliament's Public Accounts Committee PAC meeting. TVJ's Vashon Brown has more.
The Ministry of Education spends money each year to provide books for students through its loan scheme. It's why opposition PAC member Peter Bunting wanted to know why parents were still being required to buy more books.
I have some experience in my own constituency of parents coming with rather substantial book lists that they're procuring at private bookstores.
Acting Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Education, Dr. Grace McLean, says there's no need for an additional book list outside of the books the ministry provides at the secondary school level.
We, however, encourage wide reading, and so there's a supplementary listing that parents may purchase those books if they would like their children to have those books. Those books are not necessarily mapped on to the curriculum for the different subject areas.
But Mr. Bunting says many parents are of the view that they must buy the books on the supplementary list.
I wish I had this information, which said that there is no need for anything additional beyond what is provided by the Ministry of Education, because I could have saved the CDF a lot of money.
In the meantime, Mr. Bunting argues that the ministry should move to provide students with laptops and provide content they need in an e-book format. Dr. McLean says CXC has started e-testing, and as a result, the ministry will have to begin e-teaching. She says the ministry has a team in place and has completed an island-wide review and assessments of the ICT needs of the system.
We are currently working with the Overseas Examinations Commission, and each year they provide to our schools close to 1,000 laptops and desktop computers, depending on the needs of the schools, their facility and so on.
The committee was discussing concerns raised by the Auditor General about the Education Ministry's inventory management and monitoring of textbooks. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.